Here's a look at and review of my Dirt Devil Power Express vacuum cleaner. I've had this for 4+ years now, and it does a nice job at keeping my one-bedroom co-op clean. It picks up debris and dust from my carpets and hardwood floors, and is on the lightweight side and easy to maneuver around. Its cord is pretty long and can clean a full-size room and more before you have to switch to another outlet. It's also easy to empty out by pushing this button and then opening it up and emptying it into a trash can.